Hello, I'm working on a 1998 Lexus GS300. The upper rear ball joint is bad on this one, but it has just a tiny bit of play in it. But I'm gonna replace this, for track days or whatever. And to get this out, back there's a nut and bolt that holds that bushing in, and see if I can show you the way. It's back there. It's a nut and bolt. The nut and bolt are both 17 millimeters. I'm able to get to the nuts off of these. One over here, nut in, and the other one you have to get up underneath the car and get to it. You can put a 17-inch wrench on there, but the thing is that the bolts are seized into the control arm bushings, and I've let it soak with some PV Blaster penetrating oil, and I don't want to strip the bolts, but I was going to try using something else to get attempt to get the nuts and bolts without having somebody cut it or cutting the control arm off. Okay, now what I have is some acetone, some full synthetic max life and transmission fluid, the oil there, and I'm going to be mixing these 50% acetone, 50% transmission fluid, and I'm going to apply it onto the control arm bolts and see if I have any luck with it. Okay. Oil here. I got a pop can because another video I've seen how this eats up the plastic, so I'm gonna use this pop can to hold the acetone and mix them together. I'm gonna hold my finger where the transmission fluid is filled at. Well, that's just half the Yeah, about half that bottle there. Okay, that's how you open it. Okay, adding the acetone. Around. Now I'm going to apply it to the bolts. The control arm. See what happens. Okay, as you can see, I've been applying the chemical solution to the bushing area, the bolts. This one was the one back there. On this one, the whole bushing assembly started to turn a little bit, so I stopped, backed off. I figured I'll give it some more time, maybe a couple of days, overnight or something. Try it again and see if the bolt breaks loose. But that's where I'm at so far. Yeah, I let the transmission fluid and the Alcatel sit, and there's my wrench there. As you can see, I can turn the bolt. So it must have penetrated through and loosened it up so I can get that bolt off, which is good. That's the back one. It's really hard to get to, so at least I can get that one off. This front one though, I'm not too sure. I might just have to cut the bolt off, but it did work on this back one, so I think that's good. I'm gonna try something else on this front one and see if I get that bolt to turn, save the bolt. But it did work. So I hope it helps somebody who might have the same problem. If you like like it, dislike it, post comments, and please subscribe. That'll really help me out. Alright, thanks. Okay, I'm just going back here to show you that, you see that bolt back there? It is coming out of the control arm assembly. That's the one in the rear of the control arm. I'm still working on this front one. I put some more of the penetrate on here and let this soak. I made a little hole in the between the control arm bushing and the mounting. Tried to pry that piece open a little bit, see if the gravity will pull the solution into the onto the bolt. I'll try it again in probably another day or so and see what happens. Okay, I got some good luck on this front bolt here. See if I get a shot of it. The bolt well, I got the wrench on it. Okay, there's the wrench. There's the bolt. Well, I got the turn. Turns kind of easy. And bolt back here, I hit it in with the hammer because I had it turned out some to hit it in, and so that went in some. And there's a little notch on the on this side, so that the bolt is going out of the control arm assembly. So the acetone and the transmission fluid got those two bolts out for me. Little work, but it worked.